the Sudio T2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Sudio T2 true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, 8mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, ANC and an ambient feature, and it's water resistant. The case is compact with a grippy rubber feel to it. You have the branding on the front along with the carrying strap on the side. On the back and bottom, you have the USB-C charge port, status LED, and pairing button. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are also held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. Earbuds have the same grippy finish like the case. Ear markings are on the inside face and the outside has a brush finish for the touch control surface. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1.2 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at 37 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Now that you feel better, I tell no simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever, telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sudio T2 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were fairly comfortable and felt secure. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls are a plus with reducing the pressure as well. Build-in quality is decent. I'm not a fan of the finish of the case or the carrying strap on the side. For the price point I expected a bit more. Touch controls were responsive and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is good coming in at 7 hours and 35 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and app integration. The ANC feature and ambient sound work as advertised. Nothing exceptional, but it's in line with many that I have tested before. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in very pronounced, deep, punchy and tight, but doesn't sound overblown. Mids and highs are clean and clear and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do sound crisp. I feel these do fall more on a warmer sound signature. Overall, the earbuds are just okay for me. I believed it missed out on a few points that I mentioned earlier, and there are more earbuds coming in at a lower price point that will be better value. So that is my review of the Sudio T2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.